Welcome to a journey through the unknown, where science meets philosophy and the future beckons with endless possibilities. Now, picture this. A cluster of glowing spheres floats against a vast, teal horizon, a vision of tomorrow that feels both alien and familiar. Is your future already written? In this video, we unravel the mysteries of time, free will, and the simulation hypothesis. Are your choices truly yours, or are we all threads in a cosmic tapestry woven long ago? The idea of predetermined actions suggests that every choice we make is shaped by past events, leading us to wonder, are we truly in control of our destiny? This raises big questions about free will and accountability. Finally, we see the causal chain of events. Determinism tells us that randomness is an illusion, and everything unfolds like a pre-written story. Each moment depends on the last, raising the question, are we just characters in a tale that's already been told? The inherent randomness of quantum particles challenges the notion of a predetermined future. Here's the kicker, 100% of quantum particles defy classical predictability. Their behavior highlights a core randomness that refuses to fit into a neat, predetermined box. So what's the takeaway? Are we free to shape our destiny? Or are we part of a cosmic story still being written? 50% of experiments show particles existing in multiple states until measured, like rolling dice. Here's a striking statistic. There's a 1 in 3 chance that certain outcomes in quantum experiments are entirely random. This isn't just a number. It's a glimpse into the unpredictable core of reality. Quantum mechanics reveals that at its smallest scales, the universe doesn't always follow the predictable rules we know. Instead, it embraces randomness, suggesting a non-deterministic world where the future isn't fully shaped by the past. This challenges everything we assume about cause and effect, and even raises big questions. If randomness governs the quantum level, what does that mean for free will, choice, and the very nature of existence? 0% of quantum mechanics aligns with classical determinism. That's a total break from the old rules of causation. In the debate over free will and determinism, compatibilism offers a middle ground. It suggests our choices can still be meaningful, reflecting our desires, even if those desires are shaped by the past. But this raises a crucial question. If our actions are predetermined, can we truly be held accountable for them? The answer challenges our understanding of responsibility and moral judgment. Yet, accepting determinism might bring a sense of peace. By seeing ourselves as part of a larger narrative, we can find tranquility in the unfolding of life's choices, much like a serene lake reflecting the sky at sunset. Let's explore how our understanding of time has evolved over the centuries, challenging what we once thought was absolute. In the classical era, time was seen as a straight line, constant and unchanging. The past was behind us, the present was now, and the future lay ahead, each distinct and separate. But in 1905, Albert Einstein turned this idea on its head. His theory of relativity revealed that time isn't fixed, it can stretch and bend, influenced by speed and gravity. Time, it turns out, is relative. Today, some physicists propose the block universe theory, which takes this even further. Imagine time as a single, four-dimensional block where every moment, past, present, and future, exists all at once. We experience time slice by slice, but the entire block is always there. This timeline shows how our grasp of time has shifted from a simple, linear path to a complex, interconnected web. Each breakthrough challenges us to rethink what time really is and what it means for our place in the universe. Imagine time not as a river flowing from past to future, but as a vast, unchanging landscape where every moment, every event, exists all at once. This is the heart of the block universe theory. Here, time isn't linear. It's a four-dimensional block where past, present, and future coexist, each as real as the other. What we experience as now is just a slice of this block, a single frame in a movie that's already been filmed. But if every moment is already there, does that mean our choices are fixed? Or does it open up new ways to think about freedom and fate? The block universe challenges us to rethink everything we know about time and what it means to live within it. Have you ever wondered if time is just an illusion? What if the past, present, and future aren't as separate as they seem? In the theory of frames of existence, each moment is like a frame in a movie reel. Every frame is already there, but we can only see one at a time. The reel holds the entire story, yet we experience it frame by frame, creating the illusion of time flowing. This idea challenges our everyday sense of reality, suggesting that all moments coexist, and what we perceive as now is just our limited view of a much larger picture. So, if every frame is already set, does that mean our future is already written? Or does it change how we think about choice and freedom? Frames of existence invites us to step back and see time not as a river, but as a gallery of moments, each one as real as the next. Imagine for a moment that everything you see, feel, and experience isn't quite what it seems. What if the world around you, your life, your choices, even your sense of self, is part of an elaborate computer program? This is the core of the simulation hypothesis, a theory that suggests our reality might be an artificial construct, much like a highly advanced video game. If future civilizations can create lifelike simulations, it's possible that we are living in one right now, as characters in a story designed by beings we can't even imagine. Now, picture a neon-lit cityscape glowing with electric blues and purples, where a person stands immersed in a virtual reality headset, surrounded by fantastical creatures and holographic displays. This surreal scene isn't just a vision of the future. It's a glimpse into the idea that our world might be a simulation, a digital dream where the lines between real and virtual blur. But what does this mean for us? If we're living in a simulation, does it change the way we see ourselves, our choices, or our place in the universe? The simulation hypothesis invites us to question the very nature of existence and wonder, are we the players, or are we being played? Imagine for a moment that everything you know, your life, your choices, even your sense of self, is part of an elaborate simulation, crafted by beings beyond our comprehension. On the left, Nick Bostrom's argument looms. If advanced civilizations can create lifelike simulations, the odds are high that we're living in one. This isn't just a sci-fi plot. It's a philosophical riddle that forces us to ask, who are the simulators? And why are we here? Now look to the right. If we are in a simulation, what does that mean for our choices? Are they truly ours, or are they scripted by unseen programmers? The road stretches ahead, a symbol of life's journey. But in a simulated world, is every turn already mapped out? This raises a haunting question. If our lives are predetermined, what becomes of meaning and purpose? Gaze at the philosopher, lost in thought, and the figure standing at the crossroads. Both invite us to wonder, are we the authors of our story, or just characters in someone else's design? Many spiritual beliefs posit that a predetermined future is part of a divine plan, suggesting that life events unfold according to a greater purpose. This view encourages individuals to seek meaning in their experiences, believing that challenges and triumphs are guided by a higher power. As the soothing colors and natural beauty envelop you, feel a sense of calm, trust, and hope, inviting you to embrace your journey and find purpose in every step. The concept of being in a simulation raises questions about purpose and existence. If our reality is manufactured, then fulfilling our designed roles may be seen as essential, leading to reflection on how we engage with our environment and others.
Happy birthday!